Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse. Today, Thursday, November 6th, 2025. Now, we think there's going to be a verdict today in the Crypto Bros trial of the peraire-buenos. Is code law or is code not yet law? We'll find out. 12 jurors are deliberating. Yesterday, they had 6 questions, one of which, the last one, was a hypothetical. Might be a lawyer on the jury, might be a trickster, could be a big Law and Order viewer, dun-dun-dun, because they'll be answering the hypothetical. One of the jurors has a hard stop November 6th, so I believe it'll focus the mind, and we'll find out. Now, there's some big people in the Ethereum world have chimed in on this case. We, of course, have been covering it from day one, from the indictment to the verdict day, which I believe is today. And what I can say is I think this little field of MEV boost trading is a specialized area, kind of like the hockey rink, where maybe the SDNY prosecutors' energies could have been better emphasized on like major corporations that pay no taxes, for example. There's one. So there's a legal system of taxes. We think everyone's supposed to pay, but these behemoths, now making massive money off AI, find a way to pay no taxes at all. They play the system, and it's considered legal. The peraire-buenos, whatever you may think of them, and you're going to have to get the book to find out what I think, but there was a system. There was a MEV boost system, and there was the penalties if your trades or your validated blocks failed. They paid them, and David Yakira woke up a little bit later. He went to the police, and here we are. So we'll find out what happens today. Now let's go on. Yesterday we live tweeted the sentencing of Olivier Amar, fintech fraudster number 2. Charlie Javis got 85 months. Well, yesterday, Mr. Amar, who cited a variety of mitigating factors, including playing directly to Judge Hellerstein's stated principles, got 68 months. And there it was. It happened. Today, at 2 p.m., there will be the Alexander brothers, the 3 real estate guys. Got to watch out what you say about them. They tend to sue media, as they sued the real deal. But we will say they're sealing everything. Their lawyer, Mark Agnifilo, formerly Diddy's lawyer, yes, has last night at midnight, dating it yesterday, asked for permission to seal a whole bunch of things. Then again, the government itself is asking for stuff to be sealed. It's quite a conundrum, and I can't imagine them pleading out. So this could be a big trial coming at the SDNY, as will be Luigi Mangione, not settling, not pleading out. On the financial front, Fifth Third, we're all over it. The Fed hasn't yet explained how they can deny one FOIA expedition for being too early and not yet be ready when we now have FOIA the application, which is pending but not noticed on the Fed's website. What's happening? Lisa Cook. Okay, UN, we have a new scoop this morning. UNMISS in South Sudan, which we cover closely. There's a guy there who's got like 2 cars, 2 accommodations. We have all the numbers. We have all the receipts, as they say. And the UN does nothing. In fact, the UN investigative mechanism, OIOS, instead writes to us trying to get us to name whistleblowers. Well, we will not and we shall not. There's a law, there's a proposal. It's only in New Hampshire so far. It's called the GRANITE law. It would strip sovereign immunity from countries that censor. It's pretty much directed at UK Ofcom. We suggested that it be expanded to cover the United Nations, which says it has immunity even as it bans US-based press, which asked about Guterres' finances. GRANITE Act. Check it out. We're going in. Inner City Press.